If you're shipping a fifth-wheel trailer from California to Florida, there are essential tips to keep in mind to ensure a successful and stress-free process. Here are some important steps to follow. 1. Plan ahead. Shipping a fifth-wheel trailer from California to Florida requires careful planning and preparation. Make sure to schedule your shipping date in advance to ensure that the shipping company can accommodate your timeline. 2. Choose a reliable shipping company. Look for a shipping company that specializes in transporting RVs and trailers and has a good reputation for successful deliveries. Make sure they are licensed, insured, and have experience with long-distance transport. 3. Prepare your trailer for shipping. Clean the trailer inside and out, remove any loose or detachable items, and secure all doors and windows. Take photos of the trailer before it is loaded onto the transport truck to document its condition and note any pre-existing damage or issues. 4. Arrange for pickup and delivery. Communicate clearly with the shipping company about any special requirements, such as a specific pickup location or delivery date. Make sure to discuss any concerns you may have regarding the route or timing of the transport. 5. Monitor the delivery process. Stay in contact with the shipping company and track the progress of your fifth-wheel trailer. Most shipping companies provide tracking numbers or online resources to keep you updated on the shipment status. 6. Be prepared for delivery. Make sure to have someone available to receive the fifth-wheel trailer upon delivery in Florida. Inspect the trailer carefully for any damage or issues, and document any concerns with the shipping company immediately. By following these essential tips, you can have peace of mind knowing that your fifth-wheel trailer will be transported safely and efficiently from California to Florida. Choose wisely. Choose Premier Transporting. 954-982-6379 or visit us at premiertransporting.com.